Good morning, teacher. My name is Alejandra Gonzalez. I am 24 years old. I live in Zipaquirá with my daughter. I am a studying environmental engineer. I am single. I work. I environmental management technology. I like the music. I love English. I go to the description situation number 1. Comparative. So Andres is younger than Juan, and Juan is as strange as Andres. Now, Andres has more beautiful shoes than Juan. Thus, Juan is less attractive than Andres. So, Andres is taller than Juan. Also, Andres is happier than Juan. In the same way, is Andres is faster than Juan because Juan is farther than Andres. Finally, Andres eats less fast food than Juan. I think that it's good to eat vegetables, but it's better to eat fruit. Thank you. Bye bye.